Hello and welcome, this is Paul Photography with episode 9 of 1 minute shooting ideas for every tiny home studio. Today we will make a picture that you maybe won't remember, because we're gonna have a long look into the wine glass at your first date. Let's jump right into it. As a key light, I mount my rectangular softbox to my strobe and place it right in front of me. The strip light gives me a little fitting light, but really just a little, because I want the picture to have a moody look as if I'm sitting in a dark restaurant. To give some glamour to it, I go with the golden side of my reflector as a background. So get dressed for your first date and let's go! Paul, do you remember